feel like a bird, caged without a key. Everyone comes and stares at me. So much joy and reverie. They don't know how I feel inside. Through my smile I cry. They don't know what they're doing to me, keeping me from flying. That's why I say that I know why the caged bird sings. Only joy comes from song. She's so rare and beautiful to others. Why not just set her free so she can fly, 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 spreading her wings and her song. Let her fly, fly, the whole world to see. Oh, hey, oh, she's like caged bird, fly, fly. Oh, should let her fly, should let her fly, let her fly.